Hey friends, in this tutorial, we'll create a music event flyer step by step in Photoshop. If you'd like more tutorials on creating event and party posters, flyers, and social media covers, basically everything you need for your events, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. First, create a new document with the size 2625 by 3375 300 dpi. Now let's add a background and photos of the event artists. To do this, move the photos into the program window, select Select and Subject, and use the lasso tool to make a more precise selection if you see any imperfections after the subject. After right-clicking on the new layer, press Shift+C to copy and paste the photo onto our flyer. We'll adjust the scale slightly using transformation and add the remaining artist photos. We'll repeat the same process with the remaining photos. After we've added the photos, let's edit the scale of each one using transformation. Use a soft brush to paint a shadow to hide the unwanted part of the photo. Let's add some more speakers to the background. For this, I used pre-generated PNG photos. You can also create them using AI. Now we need to add the event title. To do this, select the Text tool and type Music. We'll choose Headlines as the font. To use the same fonts, you'll find links to them in the PDF file and archive. Let's add a style to this name. To do this, double-click on the layer to open the Layer Style menu. Then, step by step, repeat after me everything that I do. Our style is ready. Now let's move the layer to the back. Change the scale and select the overlay. Then duplicate the layer and remove all the effects, reapplying only the overlay. Let's create another copy of the layer, place it below, scale it up, and change the color to a more yellow color. Now let's add boxes for the rest of the text. Let's create a glow style for some of the shapes and change the color. To do this, double-click in the Layer Style menu and repeat after me. Next, we copy our style to other shapes. Let's add some more smoke to our composition. Now we add glow elements and apply light and layer overlays. We make copies of the layers and arrange them so that it looks impressive. After that, we'll add a few more wires to the front and change the shape a little using deformation. Using color balance, let's change the color a little to fit our composition. Okay, now let's add a blur effect and change the levels a little. Okay, now let's use the Type tool to write a schedule for our events. I use the Acoustic font. Our schedule is ready. Let's go ahead and write some additional information. but for this we'll choose the built titling font. Let's create a group for our schedule and additional information. To do this, select the necessary layers and click the Group button. Now let's add a frame for additional information. Using the Marquee tool, create a frame, click Edit, Stroke, and select a thickness of 3 pixels. Next, using the Marquee tool, select the area we need and cut it onto a new layer. Copy the created layer and place it on the sides. Okay, now we need to add some glowing lights to our flyer to make it look brighter. For this, we'll use a soft brush. Almost done. Let's create a brightness/contrast adjustment layer. Finally, let's add a texture on top of the layers and select the overlay layer blending with 30% opacity. That's it. Our flyer is ready. We'd be happy if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. You'll also find a link to this flyer in the description where you can download it for free. See you soon.